my friend. All right, we're gonna learn about reciprocals. Kind of a cool thing. Reciprocals are kind of cool. It's like there's a law of reciprocation. Like if I punch you in the face, like right now, you're gonna want to punch me back, right? That's law of reciprocation. And if I come up and give you a hug, you're gonna probably want to hug me back. So yeah, what goes around comes around, that kind of thing. Reciprocals we're gonna learn about. All right, anyway, here's a problem number 18 from the GD practice test. If Buck can mow 2/5 of a lawn in an hour, how long will it take him to mow the entire lawn? This is a good one for two equal fractions or proportions. So we go 2/5 of a lawn. And notice I'm going to label this. This is important. And reciprocals are equal fractions. Proportions are equal fractions. Reciprocals you haven't learned yet, but I'll teach you. 2/5 of a lawn in 1 hour. So I'm going to put 1 hour down here. And don't let this fraction and a fraction thing scare you. They're just fractions. It's just this divided by that. No big deal. Don't get scared. 2 equal fractions is what a proportion is. All right, and lawn has to be on the top. Remember that when you're setting up a proportion, you put the units here, same units there, and then what's going to be down here? Hours. And we don't know hours. So when we have a number we don't know, we call it typically X. Because we don't know it, but we're going to figure it out. And the whole lawn, right? The whole lawn would be what? 1 lawn. Bam. So that number goes in there. Now, if you remember cross products in proportions, this number times that number has got to equal this number times that number. So 1 times 1 is 1 today, and tomorrow, and yesterday was, and maybe forever. Now we got to multiply this times something else and get 1. Now, a cool little bebop on this is if you take this guy and flip it, it's called a reciprocal. And the cool thing about multiplying reciprocals is you get 1 whole. Like 2/5 times 5 halves is 1 whole. The flip of it, okay? So we know what to do here. We know what X is going to be because it's going to be the flip of this, the reciprocal of that. So it's going to be 5 divided by 2, or 5 halves, which is 2.5 wholes. Because 2 goes into 5 twice and 1 left over, so it becomes 2.5. So it takes them 2.5 hours, or 5 half hours, say that. That's legal, 5 half hours, that's legal. Or 2.5 hours. Bam,